2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play some good old Jefferson Airplane, if you want somebody to love. Okay, standard tuning, the guitar, and let's put a capo on 2nd fret, please. Alright, so we have an E minor. The song is an E minor shape. 2nd finger, 3rd finger. We got A major. 1, 2, 3. We got D major. We got G major. Okay, and then we got 2 more chords later, but let's talk about that when we get there. So the song starts to E minor, A, D, E minor. Down, 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 down. E minor, A, D, E minor. E minor, A, D, E minor. And then 2 hits there. Okay, and that's going to take us to the chorus, which is G, D, E minor, G, D, E minor, G, D, E minor, and then it ends with G, A, E minor. Okay, let's do chorus. 1, 2, 3. Want somebody to love. A, G, D, A, G, D, A, G, So the second verse is a little bit different, same chords, but they change faster. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 every time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first verse is 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay in E longer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the second verse doesn't have those hits. They just play through to the chorus. Let's see, does this happen after the first verse or second verse? I think this happens after the first verse, where they go E minor to A sus and E minor to D sus, and then they kick in the second verse. Yeah, so A sus is 1, 2, 3 pinky, E minor, D sus, 1, 2, 3. So many little parts to this song, it's hard to remember. But let's decide that this happens after the first verse. So it's E minor, 2, 3, 4. After the first chorus, I mean. And then first chorus. it's another verse again. It's 4 verses, right? Okay, and then we have chorus. Guitar solo, which is going to take us to the end. And kind of just jamming on E. And then E, A, E. The end of the song with the G to A. Okay, so that's basically the form and the chords. You gotta listen. I might not be 100% correct, but that's the chords are E. Let's break it down. E, A, D for the verses, and chorus chords are G, D, E, A, and it ends with G, A, E. And then we have a couple of times when they go E to A sus, E to D sus. Awesome. What a great tune, man. Thanks for tuning in, folks, and I'll be back tomorrow with more great hits. Be safe.